You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this expression, as well as how to say more confusing vocabulary too many people get wrong, including from French. Stay tuned, loads to learn here. In French, in France, it's said as ensuite, ensuite. So in English, it's normally said as ensuite, ensuite. It's easy, ensuite, almost like sweet, really. Ensuite, from French, ensuite. It's easy, and now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching, I'll see you there. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.